How's it going, everybody? I'm a typical rug, and sorry about the break. As you can see, I'm in the process of a bit of a move here, and it's been a lot of stuff going on, honestly. But do you remember back a few years ago in Hawaii when they had all those wildfires break out, and a lot of people reported sights of like seeing these giant laser weapons supposedly hit the ground? Well, that got me thinking, what would an actual laser weapon, like a definitive one, be like in real life? Well, the sun gun, or the helio beam, was a theoretical orbital weapon developed in 1929 by German physicist Hermann Oberth. It was to make use of a concave mirror mounted onto a satellite, which would concentrate sunlight onto a small area at the Earth's surface, destroying targets through heat. And again, in 1929, Hermann Oberth actually developed plans for a space station 100-meter wide, which housed the concave mirror that could be used to reflect sunlight. Later on during World War II, a group of German scientists at the German Army Artillery Proving Grounds at Hillersberg began to expand on Oberth's idea of creating the superweapon. The so-called sun gun would be part of a space station stationed at 8,200 kilometers above Earth. The scientists calculated that a huge reflector made of metallic sodium in an area of 9 square kilometers could produce enough focused heat to make an ocean boil or burn a city. After being questioned by American officers, the Germans claimed that the sun gun could be completed within 50 or 100 years. Due to the lackluster technology at the time, keep in mind, this was 1929. He had all the blueprints of it. It's just, what it would have cost to do that back then would have been more money than the entire world had combined, let alone Germany. But in the modern day, they have developed what is called satellite mega constellations, which is, instead of one vast individual mirror, it's hundreds of low-cost reflectors that could be, in theory, synchronized to concentrate that solar irradiance and aim it at a singular target. Another very early method of this is the Archimedes heat ray, which is a pretty famous story. Archimedes is purported to have invented a large-scale solar furnace, which was sometimes described as a heat ray, and it was used to burn Roman ships during the siege of Syracuse. It kind of works similar to, like, if you've ever seen you hold up a magnifying glass and it burns stuff on the ground. However, Archimedes does not have any tellings of this device, and it was never actually proven to exist, although it is highly likely that this was a real thing, or at least something theorized by Archimedes that he never got to actually enact. But anyways, just something I found while scrolling on the concept of mirror and solar irradiance weapons. But anyways, you guys enjoyed watching, leave a like, and until next time.